Hi guys, I just want to show you how easy it is to remove your Lashify lashes. One of our options for removal is Release. I love Release because it's so easy to use. It just melts your Gossamer lashes off. It's portable, you can take it anywhere with you, and it also helps hydrate your under eyes. I am starting on the back side of my lash, and I am gently rolling the product onto my lashes. Now I like to go on the underside of my lashes and apply Release as well. This is going to help loosen the Gossamers and break up the bond. I'm going in with a cotton round with pre-cleanse to remove any excess oils. After removing, sometimes there is bond left in our lashes, so I am going in with a spoolie with pre-cleanse to remove it. And just like that, we've taken off our Gossamer lashes and we are ready for our next set.